Well, it's a rainy day here in Tennessee, friends. We got the truck loaded up. Looks like a good day to get on the road and do some traveling. Let's head up to Kentucky and see what we can get into. You guys hang in there. The Hatefulest Cat on YouTube is with us. Good morning, Mama. Where are you going? Oh, I know where she's going. Alright guys, I've been on the road for about 4 hours, and according to the GPS, we're about 45 minutes away from my destination. I'm going up here to Louisville, Kentucky today to the National Farm and Machinery Show, and I'm kind of excited. I've always wanted to go to this show, but I never made it up here, and I'm going a day early. Tomorrow at 1 o'clock, I'll be at the TYM booth doing a meet and greet with Daniel Arms will be there, Tony, Hank, a few other YouTube channels, and I thought I would go a day early to kind of walk around and see everything. So I'm going to keep on driving here, guys. We should be there very soon. I'm going to take the cameras in with me so you guys can see what all I look at, and after it's over, I'll keep the cameras going. We're going to go to the hotel, check the room out, and we'll also probably go get Tony and grab some dinner. So you guys hang in there. There's a lot left to see. We're at the farm show at the concession area, and if you're coming to the farm show, you might want to get a loan before you get here. Medium Pepsi, $5. Tony, how much is that hot dog?
I don't know, you paid for it, I used your wallet.
I didn't even know he'd done that. So we got Evan here from Country View Acres with us today, and this guy back here keeps on following us around, and apparently he's a pit pocket. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright friends, we made it to the hotel. I spent about 3 hours at the event, and I didn't do any videoing because there was way too many people. I'm hoping to get in there tomorrow about an hour before it starts and do some footage for you guys. But right now I'm going to go downstairs and grab Tony and go get some dinner. You guys hungry? Alright guys, it's the next day. I'm out here with Tony this morning. How's it going, Tony?
Good morning to you, good morning to you.
Right here at the TYM booth. We're here about, what is it?
Crack of dawn.
Crack of dawn. It's about 2 hours before the show starts. And I didn't plan that.
People are starting to move around now.
So I'm going to get to walk around this morning, look at some stuff, and show you guys what's all here at the show without all the people walking around. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes I don't make sense when I talk on these videos.
What a surprise.
I know. So for you guys that don't know him, this is my good friend Tony, Tony's Tractor Adventure. There's a link down below. Go check out his videos. He's a TYM guy as well.
Come see us.
And now we have a YouTuber recording a YouTuber.
Oh, I'm behind.
Oh, here we go.
Now we're recording each other.
Now this is Evan, guys, at Country View Acres. This is honestly one of my favorite channels. I watch his videos all the time. I watch yours too, Tony.
Once in a while.
Once in a while. But go check out Evan's channel as well. He's also a TYM guy. There's links down below to all these channels I'm talking about today. So this is one of the newest TYM tractors. Tony, what horsepower is this?
This is 130 horsepower T130.
130 horsepower.
It's coming out this probably later on this year. You'll start seeing it at the tractor dealers.
Check it out, guys. 130 horsepower. There's somebody in the cab.
Look at that.
Hey, who is that? What are you doing in there? That's Tony's wife, guys. I don't know about you guys, but this would look real good at the sawmill. What do you all think? Just need to put a loader on it. Man, that's a big tractor. The capacity on the loader, when you do have a loader on this tractor, is 5,000 pounds. The 574, the one I have, the biggest tractor, the loader capacity is 3,100 pounds. So that's, you know, an extra ton of weight capacity. Definitely need one of these. Let's climb up in this thing, take a closer look. It's got 3 steps to get in, 3 steps. I tell you what, I can get used to this. And Bruno has a seat right here. Look here, guys. Little buddy seat right there. Man, that's nice. Tell you what, this thing's pretty high up. Evan's checking out the 130. What do you think, buddy?
This thing is awesome. It is like the space shuttle in here. It's got a screen here. It's got backup cameras. I guess cameras that face backwards.
So that over there is a backup camera?
Yeah, that's what Tony told me at least. He said there's a camera that points backwards. You can kind of watch what your implement's doing behind you as you're driving forward. It's got a buddy seat right here. This seat right here, it actually turns so you can face kind of sideways toward all your controls over here. It's definitely, this thing, man, it's got a lot of stuff.
It's even got a sunroof.
Yeah. I mean, there's controls. I think this must be your speed control. It's got controls right here on the arms chair. Man.
I'll tell you, buddy, you look good in it.
Yeah,
Use
like
one of
space
those.
shuttle.
All right, guys, here's another one of the big TYMs. Tony, how many horsepower?
This one's 115 Deutsch engine.
115 horsepower. That's another monster right there. Check that out. That is a big tractor out there. Tell you what, guys, one of these little telehandlers, that would be real handy around the mill. Check that out. Not too big. Right here, guys, something I could probably use one day. New skid steer. And they got all kinds of them up here. Looks like we've got a bunch of tillers over here. Befco. There's a lot of companies here I've never heard of before. Some tillers, some mowers, some flail mowers, all kinds of stuff. Is that a cedar, Evan?
Yep, that's a cedar.
It's a cedar right there.
I can use that to plant hayfield.
It's like a pretty big one. All right, guys, we're back here at the booth belonging to, I guess you would call that Root. They make loaders for a lot of different tractor companies. Got some grapples. Looks like some tillers. And I'm pretty sure this company right here makes the backhoe that's on my tractor as well. Yep, right there it is. Well, maybe that's one size smaller, but same design. Well, here's something interesting. I've heard about these before. Electric tractors. Not too big. I'm not sure what kind of capacity they have. That one's got a cab, actually. There's a big guy. Check that out. That's a Case IH. It's got tracks on the back. Here's another tractor company I've never heard of. Maybe you guys have. I'm not sure what's on the front of it here. Looks like some kind of mower. Hey, haven't you ever heard of this one before? There's another tractor, a Versatile, on nothing but tracks.